Hi, welcome to Reypurposed Made, where I, Reinaldo, show you the ins and outs of some of my furniture projects. I try to always incorporate art into the furniture making process so that each finished piece is custom and one of a kind. Check out how I do it. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel to see what's coming up next. Desks are my favorite thing to design. More than beds, more than shelves, definitely more than bed risers. Available on Etsy. I have so much fun with making desks because so much of a person's personality goes into the desk and it can be customized to be exactly what that person needs. The desk I'm showing you today is a companion piece to the loft bed and room divider project I did a little bit earlier, and it has wheels. Much like Lisa's loft bed project, the plywood for the desk is on its second life. Previously, it was a bed that I then took apart and used the pieces as like the skin of the desk with new 2x4s applied to like the vertical elements of the desk. Like I said before, this desk is meant to be the companion piece to the loft bed I made earlier and is made to sit right under the loft bed and kind of create like an office feel. It also can be rolled away as well. But when it came to the finishes of the desk, I wanted it to relate to the loft bed but not be like overpowering. So I didn't want the desk to be all purple. I didn't want the desk to be all raw wood. So what I did was create an accent so that it relates to the space it's in, but still has its own rustic feel. And I also wanted to make sure like the flip top be different than everything else. So that's why that piece is black and everything else is either purple or raw wood. I like to start with a very simple design, legs and body. And then I just try to pack as much features and compartments into the little space of a desk as possible without it looking like too clunky. So for example, this desk here actually has 7 compartments. 2 in each leg for like papers and stuff, and then like a cubby, and then also 2 compartments in the lift top. So you don't really see all that stuff going on, but there's papers that can go on the sides and on the legs, and then also there's like just stuff that can be concealed in the cubby or concealed inside the compartments inside the desk. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed. Stick around, there is a little bit more, but I want to take this time to actually like, share, subscribe, follow my videos. You can click on the little bell at the bottom so you'll know when I drop a new video every Wednesday. And if you want to see more of my work, keep in touch, or have your very own Reypurposed piece, you can find me on Instagram, Facebook, Etsy, and Gmail under Reypurposed. Thank you. Now keep watching. The final piece to really bring this office look home after Lisa bought the LED lights to be put on the wall was for me to install a plexiglass mirror that I found in my studio. I'm like, what am I going to do with it? So it really makes for the whole office look. You have the mirror, you have the desk, you have the lights above you. It's set.